Today I am making my blood orange soap. So I'm making a simple version and a more complex version. So one of these is the plan is for market season to have a simpler design because it's hard to sell the more expensive soaps at the markets, which I get it. You're competing against a lot of different things. People come to the farmers markets and they're getting multiple stuff. They're not just buying soap like when they go to my webpage. So budgets are different. So I do better selling the less expensive soaps, the simpler ones. So what I am trying to do this summer is basically have two design options so that I can offer online the more complicated ones that people seem to really like best, but at my markets still have the same themed soap, but just a slightly simpler so that it was a little less work for me, so I don't work for free basically. I work for free a lot, it feels like. It's just hard to sell a $12 soap at a market, which is fine, I understand. So this soap, I have an orange embed, which I will show you shortly. That's going to go in one loaf, and then the other loaf is not going to get an embed. And then they will both have oranges on top. So this way, extruding that orange and assembling it, it's a lot of work. And this basically just takes out that one step and hopefully allows me to, like I said, not work for free when I sell the soaps. So as you can see, I was doing a hanger pour and now, or a drop swirl, and now I'm doing a hanger swirl of it. Hopefully I don't over swirl it. Usually I under swirl. And this is the orange embed. So that's going to go in one batch, and then the other batch just won't get the orange embed. Because extruding and then assembling all of this was a fair amount of work. And woo! Well, those just plopped right in. Hopefully I got them turned the right way. But yeah, I'm hoping, I'm going to try this and see how that goes. So you still get this fun orange soap with the orange embed. So it's still going to have the same feel, same scent, same basic design, just minus the embed. Anyways, I'm going to swirl the top, and then I think I'm going to need to let this set up just a tad before I can start putting the oranges on, so I might have to come back after this sets up a bit. thought about adding a branch. I did have some made, but I didn't. I just did the orange, and I think it's cute. There's the inside. The brown ended up being much lighter than I anticipated. Like, it was a dark brown when I poured it in. So I'm guessing it's the fragrance. I mean, you can see the brown right on the top. And you can see how different it is there. Like I said, I'm guessing between gelling and the fragrance that caused it. And probably it muddied a little bit in some spaces because obviously I was swirling it. And you can see there's quite a bit of swirl. I probably over swirled it. I always under swirl and I get paranoid. And I think I definitely kind of over swirled this a bit. That's okay. I still like it. I like the orange. I wished it popped just a tad more, but that being said, I love the orange. I think it's so cute. And it smells good. It's a blend of fresh squeezed oranges from Nature's Garden and blood orange from Candle Science. So, fun, fresh, yummy summer scent. And a little orange. I think it's cute. I like it. I'll take it. Let me know what you think.